All right. I don't know what to do.
Just pretend, just leave the camera on.
You just keep recording, right?
Yeah, just keep running.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but I'm here to introduce to you the new project car. So we have a 2002 E46 M3. We got it, like two weeks ago. And we haven't been doing much, but we decided we're gonna just document the whole build, or like things that we're gonna do and changes that we're gonna make. It's in pretty good condition. Well, it's in fair condition. As far as like cosmetically, I mean, it's almost a 20-year-old car, but I mean, we have some paint fades and things like that. We gotta fix the cracked windshield. Interior, I'll get more into it later, but as you can see, we have the beautiful 6-speed, not SMG. It's a little banged up on the interior, which is why today we were planning on going to the junkyard and getting some trim pieces and kind of just making the interior look a little nicer. Because you can tell, like on the door handles, it's like someone wrapped this but just completely messed it up. But yeah, I'll give a full breakdown of everything later, but for now we're gonna head to the junkyard, get what we need, and just start, you know, piecing things together. All right, leaving the M3 in the garage, we're gonna take the parts car, our little white E46 wagon. So we got some pieces. We didn't get the, so this is like the dash trim that we're talking about, but we weren't able to find it. We did find this part, but it's in black. We got some of the trunk, like inner lining, the plastic lining for the trunk. What else did we get?
We got some clips for the fuel door.
Oh, the spring for the gas door, yeah. And then, oh, speakers. So like our speakers are blown on that car, so we're gonna replace it and then replace the head unit. Well, I'll show you all the pieces and stuff when we get back. Oh no, not my phone. So right now we'll kind of show you what we got, and we're probably not gonna install it today, but we are gonna do this. One thing I wanted to work on today is this clear coat is coming off the carbon fiber grill, so we're gonna clean that up, re-clear it, and just make that look a little bit better. There's obviously a lot of cosmetic things that we have to do to this car to make it look really good, but it's not much, honestly. So we got this trunk liner, and then we'll show you where that goes. We got the Harman Kardon speakers to match our Harman Kardon, our system, I guess you can say. We're hoping they work. We didn't get to obviously test it, but, and then we got this is it. Yeah, so kind of to show you, this is the centerpiece where the shifter goes. Hopefully if we can see it. Yeah, this is matte black because I just sprayed it, but you can kind of see right here, a lot of this piece was cracked. Kind of just super glued it and then just painted over it, just temporarily. We're gonna replace it with this and then repaint all the trim. So we kind of decided, instead of getting, because we went to the junkyard and we got this piece and it looked good, but it was just like a hassle to kind of like take apart. And honestly, like, I don't know if you could tell, but a lot of this we can probably just scrape off or sand down. And it's similar to this trim. This trim, like the clip, we have to replace the clips on this trim, and then you can kind of see like the leftover residue under this, because I just sprayed it really quick just to hide it and make it look a little, like, right on camera you can't tell. On camera you can't tell, but we're gonna sand this, clean it up, and then end up spraying or painting this correctly. Kind of just do a better prep job and actually paint it like a proper color. That way, you know, it just looks a little better. I mean, that's the most we can really do. You can kind of see what it looked like before right here. Let's see. Like, it's all messed up and Yeah, we got to do this too, actually. And then on that side, same thing. It just looks like crap. Oh, we did the airbag recall. Look, ready? Here's some satisfying sounds. Ooh, brand new. So we have the brand new badge, airbag. It's a passenger and driver's side airbag for the recall. Free 99. So yeah, this is the trunk trim that we got. Got that piece to kind of like cover this up. We're obviously gonna clean up in here. A water bottle. So I'll do a separate video where it's a full breakdown of the car. I'll let you guys know wheels, suspension, tires, all the additions or whatever it came with, headers, exhaust. That'll come in the next video, but for now this is kind of just showing you what's going to be going on or what we're going to be working on. We have like a list of cosmetic plans to make it look good as it is now, but we're still unsure, or we're still deciding if we're going to wrap it or what wheels we want to put on it and things like that. But if you guys have any suggestions or, you know, what you guys would like to see us do with this car especially, like, comment down below. As far as it mechanically, the car runs like really well. We just checked the compression and everything was strong. It was like 175-ish, like on all cylinders. So I mean, it has a strong engine, so we don't have to worry about that. It's recently got an oil change already. The diff fluid was changed. What else? The transmission fluid. We also have a fuel filter that we might change, or we have the part, but we might change it. But I mean, there's just a list of things that we're gonna do. I mean, there's nothing, you know, knock on wood. There's nothing like, that's not wood, but there's nothing like mechanically broken on this car. So there's not much we have to do to get it running, because it's running perfectly as is right now. I think what I'll do right now is I'll turn on the car just so you can hear the exhaust and everything. Well, that's it. That's how she sounds. I'll probably do a separate video where I do a whole exhaust clip where you can hear drive-bys and the revving and stuff like that, and I'll let you guys know exactly what headers, or if you know what headers and exhaust is on here. But it sounds pretty good. I mean, what do you think?
Oh, what was that?
I said, what do you think of the exhaust?
Sounds good. Sounds good, but we actually have to dig it into it, that, you know, like what brand it is.
Yeah, we have to figure out what exactly it is, because we don't know. Let's do the grills. Let's do that. Let's start with something. All right. So the grills are finally on. It looks a lot better with the new clear coat. Don't mind the fitment. I mean, there's a dent in the bumper right there, as you can see, so it's kind of messing it up. But the clear coat looks so much better now. What we got? Well, the clear coat's a lot better now, so I mean, at least it looks nicer. But yeah. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video. That's the end of this vlog. This is our new project car. Stay tuned for future videos. We're gonna be showing everything and anything about it. The next video I'll do is probably just gonna be a full breakdown of like what's on the car now, as far as like, you know, exhaust, coilovers, what wheels, blah blah blah. I'll go over everything on that, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.